This isn't just a car. It's a glimpse into how the 1950s imagined the future, a rolling vision of science fiction on wheels. The Golden Sahara wasn't designed to blend in. It was made to make jaws drop. With its gleaming gold trim, bubble-top canopy, and cutting-edge tech for its time, this car wasn't just ahead of the curve, it was the curve. Welcome to the Gear Guru, your home for the wildest rides on Earth. If you're into cars that broke the rules before rules were even written, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on more automotive legends. Back in the 1950s, the Golden Sahara was the star of every auto show. It was developed by Jim Street and customizer George Barris, who turned a wrecked Lincoln Capri into something from another planet. This wasn't your everyday Sunday cruiser. This was a showcase of what the future could be, full of optimism, luxury, and just a little bit of madness. The design is what catches your eye first. Everything about the Golden Sahara screams extravagance. The exterior is wrapped in pearlescent paint that looks like it's been dipped in stardust. Gold trim runs across the bumpers, grille, wheels, and even the side mirrors. And that massive, clear bubble roof, it turns the whole cabin into a spaceship from the golden age of design. This car was designed to stop people in their tracks, and it did exactly that. Every curve, every line, every detail is like it was made to be a part of a movie from the future. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that feels more like the cockpit of a retro sci-fi jet. The plush white leather seats with gold piping, a massive steering wheel with aircraft-inspired controls, and a dashboard filled with knobs, switches, and experimental features that felt straight out of the Jetsons. This was more than just a car. It was a living, breathing piece of technology that captured the optimism of the 1950s. It even had a built-in telephone and an early voice command system. Concepts so ahead of their time, it's hard to believe this car was built more than 6 decades ago. But the Golden Sahara wasn't just about looks and luxury. It was a performance machine too. Under the hood, it was powered by a V8 engine capable of producing around 300 horsepower, a big number back in its day. This car could easily hit highway speeds and had the grunt to back up its space-age style. Not only did it look fast, it was fast. With the powerful V8 engine, this car could cruise along just as smoothly as any other top-tier vehicle at the time. And here's something wild. The tires were translucent and glow in the dark. Yep, you heard that right. Goodyear created them using neothane, a synthetic rubber material that allowed light to pass through, making the wheels light up like neon signs at night. No car at the time, or even today, dares to go that bold. It was a true innovation, and the glowing tires made the car stand out in a way that was unmatched by anything else on the road. The Golden Sahara wasn't just a car, it was a statement, a piece of the future delivered decades ahead of its time. It was a car that combined art, engineering, and pure fantasy into something that could only exist in the minds of the visionary creators of the 1950s. It stood for what cars could be, not what they were. It was a bold leap into a future that was bright, shiny, and full of promise. And it still resonates with car enthusiasts and collectors today. This car didn't just change the way we looked at automobiles, it changed the way we looked at what's possible. If you look closely at the Golden Sahara, you'll see the DNA of future automotive design, a design language that's still being used in futuristic concept cars today. It stands as a symbol of what was possible when creativity and technology came together to form something truly extraordinary. If you're a fan of futuristic classics like this, drop a comment below and tell us which retro concept car we should cover next. Thanks for watching The Gear Guru, where machines meet imagination. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more. Catch you in the next one.